Welcome to the postpartum journey. This 10-minute session will help you reconnect with your breath, strengthen your core, and activate your pelvic floor. Before we start, make sure you have a clearance from your doctor. If you have a normal delivery, you can wait for 4 weeks, or if you have a C-section, wait for 6 weeks to start any kind of exercise. Let's start. We'll start with diaphragm breathing. Keep your hands under your chest. Inhale, expand your chest. Exhale, contrast. Do it slowly. Inhale. Fill your chest as much as possible. Exhale slowly. We'll be doing it for 2 minutes. This breathing exercise will help you connect with your breath and strengthen your core muscles. You can practice diaphragm breathing immediately after birth if you have a normal delivery. Relax. Lie down. Bend your knee. We'll be doing pelvic tail. Put your hands on your waist. Inhale. Lower your lower back. Try to touch the floor. Exhale. Pelvic up. Exhale, lower your back. Inhale up. 5, 6, 6. Now we'll be doing heel sliding. Slide your right heels, engaging your core. Back, left. Keep your core engaged. Relax. Now open your knees like butterfly. Exhale up. Inhale. Keep your core engaged. Relax. Next, we'll be doing cat and cow. Come to the table position. Make sure you engage your core. Move slowly. Onto the child pose. We are done for today. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll meet you in the next video.